In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Shopify theme. Keeping your theme up to date is important for performance, security, and access to new features. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to safely add the updated version of your theme and get it ready to go live. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Online Store. Click on that. This will open the themes page. At the top, you'll see your current live theme, and below that is your theme library, where all of your other installed themes are stored. Scroll down through the theme library until you reach the very bottom of the page. On the lower left, you'll see a card that says something like Explore More Themes. On that same card, you'll find a button that says Visit Theme Store. Go ahead and click that button. This will open the official Shopify theme store in a new view directly connected to your store. Once you're in the Shopify theme store, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the search icon. A search bar will appear. Type in the exact name of the theme you're currently using, then select it from the search results. This will open the themes page. If there's a new version available for your theme, you might see a label that says something like Update Available. To actually add the updated version to your store, look towards the bottom right area of this page. You'll see a button that may say Add to Theme Library, Add New Copy, or something similar, depending on how it's worded for your specific theme. Click that button. Shopify will now add the latest version of the theme to your theme library. After a moment, you'll be taken back to your themes page in the Shopify admin. The new version of your theme will appear in the theme library, but it will not replace your current live theme automatically. Also, your existing content and settings are not transferred over by default. This is where a bit of manual work comes in. A good approach is to open your old theme and your new theme side by side in separate browser tabs. In the new version, you'll want to carefully reapply your theme settings, such as colors, typography, and layout options, to match your current live site. If you have any custom code, like edits in the theme files or custom sections, copy that code over from the old theme into the new one, making sure you paste it into the same locations. Take your time with this part to avoid missing anything important. You'll also want to reconnect any apps that integrate with your theme, if needed. Some apps may have theme-specific blocks or snippets that you'll need to re-add in the new version. Check your old theme to see where those app blocks or sections were placed, and then recreate that setup in the new theme. As you go, use the theme editor's preview to make sure everything looks and works as expected. Test key pages like your homepage, product pages, collection pages, and your cart, just to be safe. Once you're confident that the new theme version matches your old design and everything is working correctly, it's time to make it live. In the theme editor for your new theme, click the Save button at the top right to confirm all your changes. After saving, go back to the themes page, find your new updated theme in the theme library, and click Publish. Shopify will ask you to confirm that you want to publish this theme. Confirm it, and your updated theme will replace the old one as your live theme. That's it. You've successfully updated your Shopify theme, added the new version to your theme library, migrated your settings and customizations, and published it to your store.